this on me really quick, and show you guys how to run your miners in separate windows, because if you SSH in, the miner is running in this terminal window on my Mac, and if I close it, it now stopped the mining program running on my Epic CPU miner. And so I'm going to show you guys how to keep it to where that always stays up. And if I need to, I can go into how to SSH and set that up on Linux so that you can do this. Mac comes with SSH built into terminal because it's Unix, and so you don't have to set up that program like you do on Windows. So you put SSH, the username, and then the IP address of the computer you're trying to get into. Type in your password. And now we're successfully into the Epic miner. And what you want to do first is it keeps all these commands that I've already pre-typed in there, kind of in the memory because I haven't turned off that computer yet. And so you want to type sudo su, hit enter, ask for the password, and now you have root access into the computer itself. And now we're going to type screen and hit enter, and now we're setting up the screen. And now you want to cd into the folder where the miner is. And then once we're in there, you can see everything that's in there. The green XM rig is the mining program that I created by compiling it with 0% dev fee. And so the way we're going to run it is I already have a script pre-saved. We're going to use the sudo command and then the /. And now when we hit enter, it is running the miner in a separate window. And so now you can do Control AD and it exits that window. And right here it shows you the screen name, but if you type screen -r, it auto reconnects. And then Control AD goes back to this. And this is useful so that if you had, say, another mining folder right here, you could open up your like T-Rex, Wild Rig, whatever else, and then cd into that folder and then start your GPU miner, or start a second CPU miner that's using like half threads of this one and half threads of that one. And then when you type screen, it opens the second one. So then you would do the cd into the second folder, open that, Control AD back, and when you do screen -r with two screens open, it asks you to choose which one you want to reconnect to. And so this would be XM rig, and then this would be, or excuse me, this one would be the new one, this would be XM rig. And so now you still have access to your actual like home PC. You're not stuck in a miner. When you close this window, the PC stays running and mining. And so that's an easy way to where you can connect, dual mine, triple mine, do random stuff that you want to download and install while the miner stuff's going on in the background. So, just thought that would be beneficial for you guys and all